So friends, in this video I will explain how you can install the extensions in VS Code. With the help of extensions, you can extend the functionality of VS Code. So let's get started. So what you have to do is, in VS Code, you will notice that on the left hand side this extensions button is available. So just click on that, and then in here you will be able to see the extensions that have been installed in the installed panel. And if you want to install any other extension, just search for that in the search box. So I'm gonna install one extension and its name is Prettier. So this extension, so once you type in, just hit enter and it will display all the extensions with that name. And you can notice that this extension has got 23.8 million downloads. That means this is very popular extension, and that is how you can find out like what extensions are more popular, and based upon that you can take a decision whether to download that extension or not. So here I'm gonna install this Prettier, which is very popular. So if I click on this, you will get more information about that extension. You can look at the reviews, you can look at total downloads, and here they are given the information about this particular extension. So what kind of files can be formatted using this particular extension is these ones: JavaScript, JSON, YAML, Markdown, GraphQL, HTML, and lots are there. So let us click on install, and then this extension should be installed. Once it is installed, you will notice right now it is saying installing, but after installation is finished, you will notice that now we have got these two buttons, disable and uninstall. So that means the extension has been installed now. That's it. That's how you can install the extensions in VS Code. Thanks for watching.